Hello class and welcome to week 6 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you'll be working out of the Health Learning module. For this week, you'll be working on the Health Week 3 discussion board post. After doing the readings that you've done in English 101, at the end of the week, you'll be reflecting on the readings you've done. So for this week, you're going to be reading in English 101 the articles Hormones in Food, Should You Worry? And also Sugar Overload. And finally, you'll be reading Longevity Boosters. So the reflection asks you, how do you connect with the ideas presented in the 3 articles regarding the health system and food industries? And how did the information from the 3 articles extend your thinking? What did you learn and how did your thinking change? What challenges and questions do you still have after reading these articles? Please respond in about 2 to 3 paragraphs. Include at least 2 examples from the sources that you have read about. Choose direct quotations and or paraphrases. Please make sure to write an MLA works cited list at the end so that we can avoid plagiarism. And of course, please respond to at least 2 peers after they have posted. After that, the following day, I'd like you to do your reading and writing reflection. And for your reading and writing reflection, again, I'd like you to think about what you used to think versus what you now think. How do you connect to the reading? How did it extend your thinking? What challenges do you still have about it? Certainly, you may refer to the Lumen resources, the readings, the videos, the course discussions, anything we've done over the course of this week. And please make sure to give at least 2 examples from the reading to support your points. Use quotation marks for direct quotations or paraphrase. And organize your ideas into paragraphs by topic. Then I'd like you to do your peer responses. Please respond to at least 2 peers for this post in order to get full consideration. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.